Welcome back to my die filer build. So the project's really moving along now. So in this video we're going to have a look at the actual table. So I've got a nice chunk of cast iron for that. It's a great job for the shaper. So that's really good workshop therapy. So I've cut this piece of cast iron plate out of an old Alexander pantograph engraving machine that was scrapped quite a long time ago. So it's going to be pretty heavy. I'm going to machine this to 12mm thick, or just under ½ an inch. I've already squared up the sides. And I've put these slots in to help facilitate clamping it down onto the shaping machine table. I made some low profile clamps to fit in there. So it's going to be a nice shaping job, sort of job I really like. Okay, so we're making progress, just taking it easy, taking 50 thou cuts. Yes, I am using a carbide tip tool, which many will tell you you shouldn't use on a shaping machine, but so far I've not had any problems. So it's a lovely finish, nice and smooth. Hasn't quite cleaned in, but this is the underside, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Don't want to make it any thinner. So we'll just turn it over and start on the other side. Okay, I just thought I would change the feed to the maximum, see what sort of finish I get. Still not too bad actually. So that's about a 20 thou feed per stroke, which is like ½ a millimeter. So anyway, final cut to come up, just to clean that in. I'll put it back to a fine feed. So that's that done. So that was a 5 thou feed with a 15 thou cut. Looks nice. So I've rounded off the corners on the linishing machine. It's just a case of dressing it up with a file. So that's where the plate's going to go, somewhere like that. We just need to make an arrangement to support it and to tilt it. I think probably I'll go backwards 5 degrees, forwards 15. I don't think we need a lot of adjustment. Got some blocks here just to put it on and stand back and have a look. Needs to be a little bit higher. Good heavens. It's big. I think I've overdone it.